Getting some bad credit mortgage repair, Phoenix AZ. Getting some bad credit mortgage repair. Bad credit can have a significant impact on one's financial life. A low credit score can lead to higher interest rates, higher insurance premiums, and in some cases, difficulty obtaining loans. This can make it difficult to purchase a home, but there are options available for those looking to repair their credit and get a mortgage. The first step in repairing your credit is to obtain a copy of your credit report. This will give you a detailed look at your credit history, including any missed payments or collections that are affecting your credit score. You can obtain a free credit report annually from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Once you have a copy of your credit report, you can begin working on repairing your credit. The most common ways to repair your credit include paying off debt, disputing errors on your credit report, and making timely payments. Paying off debt is one of the best ways to improve your credit score. High levels of debt can lower your credit score, so paying off as much debt as possible can help improve your score. This can include paying off credit cards, car loans, and other forms of debt. Make sure to pay off the debt with the highest interest rates first, as this will save you money in the long run. Disputing errors on your credit report is another way to improve your credit score. If you find errors on your credit report, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. The credit bureau will then investigate the dispute, and if the dispute is found to be valid, they will correct the error. This can help improve your credit score and increase your chances of obtaining a mortgage.